2020 Honda Civic oil light reset, oil light maintenance light. So basically I get my oil life 50%. I just did the oil change. We're gonna be using these buttons right here, these arrows, and then this one maybe. So let's push this real quick. Let me get closer. Okay. Now this will pull up your menu. We're gonna go to the wrench right here. Push enter, the center button. Now you're gonna push enter and hold it for like 12 seconds. It takes a minute. Just keep holding here, and then it'll ask us maintenance reset. We'll use the up arrow. Okay, looks like you got item A, item 1, item 2, item 3. I'm just gonna go to all due items. Enter. Reset complete. Oil life 100%. Now those other items might be like tire rotation or like air filters or stuff. I don't know. You'll have to look more into that. I'm just doing the oil reset, but that's how you do it.